Prepare for the next level of intensity. Get ready. In a standing position with your legs hip-width apart, move your hands to your feet, making sure they are shoulder-width apart. Keep your legs straight and core engaged as you move your arms out one at a time, lowering yourself to the floor and into a plank position. Remember proper form and give it your best effort. You've got it. Brace your abs in order to pull your ribs down and keep your tailbone tucked under. Keep your shoulders active. Don't let them relax during the movement. Keep a rigid torso and move only from your hips, bringing one knee up to the elbow at a time. Shake off any distractions and embrace the next movement. Let's go. Start kneeling on a mat and with your arms under shoulders. Raise and straighten left arm and right leg together, then vice versa. Engage oblique abs to lock ribs down, brace abs, tuck tail, reach arm forward, opposite leg back. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go.
Push back up to starting position, repeat. Start in plank position with hands shoulder width apart. Lower chest towards floor, elbows close to body. Push back up to starting position, repeat. Start in plank position with hands shoulder width apart.
Focus shifting, muscles activated, ready to rumble? Begin in a high plank position with hands under shoulders, body straight. Lower onto right forearm, then left, coming into a forearm plank. Push up onto right hand, then left, returning to high plank. Repeat, leading with left arm first. Keep core tight and body in a straight line. Feel the energy coursing through your veins. Let's conquer this challenge. Keep your tailbone tucked under and your ribs pulled down throughout the movement. Hold for the allotted time. Position your spine by locking your ribs down in an exhaled position with your abs. Don't forget proper form and breathing techniques. Let's conquer this exercise. Hold for the allotted time. Keep your tailbone tucked under and your ribs pulled down throughout the movement. Position your spine by locking your ribs down in an exhaled position with your abs. Hold for the allotted time. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go. Start in a low plank position with your body in a straight line, your elbows bent and under your shoulders, and your feet hip-width apart. Lift your left leg to a 45-degree angle and hold. Switch legs and repeat. Keep your core tight, your glutes engaged, maintain your back flat and your hips level. Lift your leg, being careful not to arch your back, and hold for as long as you can. Breathe in as you lower the leg and return to the plank position. Start in a low plank position with your body in a straight line, your elbows bent and under your shoulders, and your feet hip-width apart. Don't forget proper form and breathing techniques. Let's conquer this exercise. Begin in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Spread your hands and feet out wide into a star shape. Keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line throughout the movement. Breathe deeply and evenly. Avoid letting your hips sway or pike up. Don't forget proper form and breathing techniques. Let's conquer this exercise.
Begin in plank position, hands under shoulders. Lower chest, keeping elbows close to body. Push back up, engaging triceps and core. Begin in plank position, hands under shoulders. Lower chest, keeping elbows close to body.
Focus shifting, muscles activated, ready to rumble. Sit on your mat and place your hands on the ground underneath your shoulders. Press into your hands, stretch your legs out straight, and lift your hips into the air. Your body should form a straight line from feet to torso. Keep your hips raised while you bend your right knee and tap your right toes on the ground. Sit on your mat and place your hands on the ground underneath your shoulders. Press into your hands, stretch your legs out straight, and lift your hips into the air. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go. Start on your knees and place one leg forward, keeping the knee and ankle in line. Drive down into your hips as you place the same elbow as the front leg. Shake off any distractions and embrace the next movement. Let's go. Great way to stretch your quads whilst working on balance. Standing tall, bring your heel towards the same side glute by holding onto the foot and bending the knee. Don't forget proper form and breathing techniques. Let's conquer this exercise. Lie on the mat with both feet straight and back relaxed. Start by raising one foot and push your knee towards your chest as much as possible by keeping your foot straight. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go. This exercise targets both your upper abdominals and obliques. Start in a sit-up position. Bringing your body up to the top of the exercise, rotate your chest to a comfortable position and take back down. As you bring yourself up, drive your elbow towards the opposite knee. Fantastic effort today. Take a moment to celebrate your achievements. Rest up, recharge, and get ready to conquer even more in our next session. You're making incredible progress.